Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Keith and I'm sure glad you stopped by today. Man, happy Thanksgiving to you. Happy Thanksgiving to you first and foremost, to you and your family. I hope you all have an awesome day today. In today's video, it's just going to be a vlog style video. I'm going to bring you along with me as my family and I celebrate Thanksgiving. We got a number of things going on today. First, I know some of you came back to check out that cherry cola ham we made from the last video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll drop a card here and drop some links down below for you to go check that out. So we're gonna be getting to that cherry cola ham video, see what it's working with. My son wants to cook the turkey this year, so he's gonna fry a turkey and we're gonna be right there with him to help coach him up and make sure he's all good with that. So we got a turkey frying. And you know it's Thanksgiving, man. I did the cherry cola ham, but I can't resist the opportunity to get on the grill Thanksgiving. So I got something else I'm working on today on the grill, and I'll give y'all a peek of that as well. And we got dinner with the family. You guys are gonna hang out with my family and I as we celebrate this Thanksgiving together. So yeah, a lot going on today, but man, let's keep the main thing, and that's being thankful. Thanking the good Lord, we get another opportunity to even see and experience another Thanksgiving. And I'm so blessed that I get a chance to do that with you today. So if that sounds good to you, let's dive in. Before we get into today's video, just wanted to give a huge thank you to our channel members. Channel memberships are a great way to further support the channel, get additional perks, and access to more exclusive content. If you'd like to learn more about our channel memberships, please see the link in the description below. My son Micah is stepping up to fry his very first turkey this holiday season. He's been excited to take on this part of the feast, and I'm here to help him get everything set up. We're keeping it flavorful with Tony Chachere's injectable butter and Creole seasoning. We've been using this combination for a number of years, and it always delivers for us. First, we're making sure the turkey is completely thawed. This is super important when frying. No ice crystals at all. Ice and hot oil don't mix. Trust me, if there's any ice left, it can cause the oil to bubble over, which is dangerous. So always thaw your turkey safely and thoroughly in the fridge ahead of time. Next, we're sprinkling on Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. It's perfect for turkey frying because it gives the bird a bold, zesty flavor. Now be generous with the seasoning. Get into all the nooks and crannies. We want every bite to be delicious. Now for the fun part, injecting the turkey. We're using Tony Chachere's injectable butter to add flavor deep into the meat. Micah's filling up the injector now. Make sure to inject evenly all over into the breast, thighs, drumsticks, everywhere. A few extra injections never hurt. This butter is packed with flavor. So with the turkey seasoned and injected, it's ready now to go into the fryer, and we're gonna leave that for Micah to take care of. Our fryer has already preheated and is up to temperature, and like I reminded Micah, slow and steady when lowering that turkey into the fryer. I'm sure he's gonna be able to handle it, and we'll check back in with him a little later. Some of y'all been asking about this apron that I'm wearing, so I want to tell you a bit more about it. This is the Dalstrong Desert Drifter. They sent me this several weeks ago, almost some months ago actually, to check out. So I've been wearing it for a number of cooks now to really put it through its paces and see what it's working with, man. And I have been tremendously pleased. You know, in the apron, some things I'm looking for. First, the fit has to be right. I'm about 6'2", and this thing fits me comfortably. If you were even taller than that, you would have room to spare. The fit is right. Two, it's got to be functional. This thing has got pockets in all the right places. You got the top pocket, you got pockets down here below, multiple pockets. You even got a kangaroo pocket on the inside. And so once we get the fit, we get the function, man, the aesthetic, you know what I mean? The aesthetic has got to be right. The quality's got to be right. You got leather straps, you got adjustable on the backside. So this is a quality apron. I have been tremendously pleased with this apron. So if you want to go check it out for yourself, I'll drop a link down below for you to go do that. It's Thanksgiving, and I know, turkey is the star of the show. I wanted to shake things up a bit this year. I couldn't resist firing up my Weber grill and throwing on some baby back party ribs. There's something about the smell of smoke and ribs on the grill that just screams celebration. Ribs might not be the traditional choice for Thanksgiving, but that's what makes them perfect for today. I love the idea of bringing something unexpected to the table, a little surprise that gets everyone excited. And let's be honest, ribs are just plain fun to eat. whether it's Thanksgiving or any other day. These ribs are cooked with a mix of hardwood for that signature smoky flavor. I'm keeping it simple yet bold with my seasonings and technique, but I won't give away all my secrets just yet. I've got a full-length video coming soon where I break down exactly how I made these baby back party ribs from prep to plate. For now, I'm just enjoying this beautiful day, spending time with my family and sneaking a moment with the grill. And definitely stay tuned, because these ribs are going to steal the show in an upcoming video. And the way these party ribs are looking, you know I had to sneak me a bite in and let's say do a flavor check to make sure they were good and the quality was there. So we've got a number of things going on, y'all. I'm just out here just taking a break. I've got my son working on a turkey. My wife and kids, they're in there working on some other dishes. I'm out here on the grill. And one thing I like to do when I'm out here on the grill is just reflection mode, especially this time of year with Thanksgiving, man. This is my sanctuary. You know what I mean? This is my special place I come to. And I think in life, the older I get, the more I realize is that in life we have choices that we can make. And you can choose to focus on the things that you don't have. You can choose to focus on lack. You can choose to focus on comparing yourself to other people, what so-and-so have and what this person has. But there's something to be said about just stopping and slowing down and really take inventory of the blessings that you have in your life, the people that you have in your life, those gifts that you have in your life that in your day-to-day hustle and grind you may overlook, the seemingly little things. And that's what I'm doing today. Just thankful for my family, just thankful for my health, just thankful for our health, just thankful for our friends, thankful the fact that, you know, my mother and father are living. And I get a chance to call them and see them every day, man. Not everybody can say that. And being in a position where I've had to deal with loss, I've had to deal with grieving, I've had to deal with people who have, you know, go through the emotions of dealing with that. You know what I mean? People who have passed on and you deal with that void and loss. It makes you put things in perspective. And it makes you really appreciate that. So I encourage you, if you feel like, you know, you're kind of hustling, bustling, and this Thanksgiving is just running with the next Thanksgiving, and Thanksgiving is just another day, man, slow down a little bit. Slow down a little bit. Reflect a little bit. Just think about the blessings that you have in your life. And, you know, you can ask the Lord to really help you give you a godly perspective on things, because I think sometimes we look at life through a lens to where, you know, as people, we're limited by our experience, we're limited by our biases and how we see certain things, and sometimes we need the Lord to help us kind of open up our aperture a little bit, you know what I mean? Kind of open up our field of view so we can see things from other perspective. So when you got that uncle or that cousin who has done you dirty, you're able to see past them doing you dirty, but see why they did you dirty. Does that make sense? Because when you understand why they did you dirty, they understand that they doing you dirty because they're wounded, because somebody had hurt them, somebody had abused them, somebody had done something bad to them. So instead of having anger towards them, you have a love towards them, right? Although they have done you dirty, you're still loving them through whatever you're trying to work through. Because hurt people hurt, man. You know what I mean? So you're able to extend some grace in places, you're able to extend some mercy in places, and you're able to forgive in places. You know what I mean? And that can help you come together and mend relationships. So man, if y'all got any beef with relatives, friends, people you haven't talked to in a number of years, man, now's the time. Now's the time to make amends, because tomorrow isn't promised. Tomorrow is not promised. So on this Thanksgiving, slow down a little bit. Slow down and take inventory of the people, of the relationships that God has put into your life for a reason, right? Do that. And I think that's going to fulfill you. That's going to raise you up. That's going to fill you up on this Thanksgiving day. And guess what? I'm blessed because I get a chance to spend it with you. And that makes me so, so happy. All right, here we go. The timer's gone off and Micah is ready to bring this bird out of the fryer. Let's see how it looks. Man, look at that turkey. It's absolutely perfect, crispy, golden, just the way it's supposed to be. Now let's make sure it's cooked through. We're checking 165 degrees in the breast and 175 degrees in the thigh. Remember, this step is key to making sure it's safe and juicy. Micah did an awesome job today. The turkey looks amazing, and I think he's well on his way to becoming the turkey frying master in the family. All right, y'all, so everybody's in the van. You see Noah right there, Judah right there. Got my son and my girls in the back. So y'all, we are headed to family member's house, and we're gonna go over there, eat a little bit, fellowship, kind of hang out, and then when we come back, you already know what time it is. We're gonna get on that ham, and I'm so proud of my son. He did a turkey. How you feel, Mike, about doing your turkey?
All right.
You feel good about it? Yeah, he did well, y'all. So that turkey looks amazing. We're gonna get into it. Oh, yeah. You know I was on the grill today. I had to get on there Weber earlier today, and we're going to get in it too. So hold on, and we'll be right back. On this day, we took a trip to visit with my wife's side of the family, her father's side, a family rooted in togetherness and tradition. For as long as I've known them, Thanksgiving has been their time, a time to gather, to connect, and to remind one another that family comes first. This year feels a bit different. Earlier this year, we lost her father, and though he's no longer here, his legacy of family lives on in moments like this. Seeing everyone come together, laughing, sharing, remembering, reminds me how important it is to make time for these gatherings, because life is unpredictable, but our faith and our family is our anchor. Thanksgiving is more than just tradition. It's a choice to be present, to celebrate what we have, and to honor those who came before us. So today, as we pass the plates and share stories around the table, I'm grateful for family, for the bonds that hold us together, and for the memories we're making, memories that carry us forward. If you're celebrating with loved ones this year, hold them close, because moments like these don't just happen. They're built year after year by the love we share. This Thanksgiving, let's remember family is a gift and tradition is how we cherish it. And to those who are here and to those who have passed on into eternity, we give thanks. So we're back, y'all. We just went to the get together with family. Now we're back at home and we're getting our meal together for our Thanksgiving meal here at the house. So a couple of things. I know y'all waiting on that ham, so we're gonna taste test that ham. Hold on, don't go anywhere, and we'll be right back. All right, y'all, it's about that time. Food's getting ready, but let's talk about this ham. Got me a piece right here. Got me a little piece, let me show y'all. Remember, this is this cherry cola. Let's get into it. Wow. Y'all, this thing is so flavorful. I taste the cherry, but you can taste cherry like in different layers. You know what I'm saying? Because we had that cherry wood on there. I taste that in the background. And then we spritz it with the cola. And then when we warmed it up and brought it up to temp in the crock pot, we added a little more cherry cola to it. Woo, y'all, this is good, y'all. And if you saw that, man, you saw it, that ham in that crock pot, it was just breaking up so tender as we let it come up to temp. So I'm telling you, if you haven't seen it, go back and watch that cherry cola ham video. I'll drop some cards up here, drop a link down below. Y'all go check that out, because this ham is absolutely amazing. This moment right here says so much about who my wife is. She's been up late, losing sleep, pouring her heart into every dish on this counter. It's not just food, it's love. Every detail, every flavor, every step in the kitchen is her way of serving her family. She never asks for recognition, but I see her. I see the selflessness, the sacrifice, the joy she takes in giving her best for all of us. This week we celebrated 20 years of marriage, and after all this time, I'm still in awe of the woman she is, an incredible wife, an amazing mother, and the heart of our home. On this Thanksgiving, I want to say thank you. Thank you for your love, your care, and the way you pour yourself into our family. We're so blessed because of you, and I don't say it enough, but we're grateful for everything you do today and every day. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with me today. Man, it was a jam-packed day. I told y'all that. We got on the grill today. We helped my son fry his turkey. And let me tell you, he is so proud about this turkey. He's like, Dad, I got the turkey every year now. I was like, okay, I got you. But man, that sense of just satisfaction in him and sense of accomplishment on being able to do that, I'm totally proud of him. We got a chance to hang out with family today, right? And that's the main thing for me come Thanksgiving, be able to just hang out with your family, continue to grow and foster those healthy relationships with them, create memories. And of course, that's all even better when you have great food to eat. So we appreciate you so much for hanging out with us today. And definitely hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I got more content coming your way. And I'll drop a playlist right here to something that you might want to check out. So hope y'all have an awesome day. Thanks for watching.
Happy Thanksgiving.